Welcome to Laocook.com. Here we are. This Saki's chopping some bamboo shoots, which we're going to be making soup from later. Here we have some chicken stock, which has been cooking for a few hours, and we'll continue to cook for a few more. Here we make our new batch of pho. We are preparing some sushi rice for tonight's service. Here we have some salmonete in Spanish, also known as red mullet in English. And what Gucci's doing now is he's basically taking off the scales. This is fresh fish, just arrived from the market this morning. Here we are. So after we have removed all the scales, what we're going to do now is to remove the gills. And then remove the insides. And here we have our fish, which has been cleaned, gutted and washed under cold running water. And what we're doing is that we're just letting it drip dry, and this will go into the fridge for about 10-15 minutes so the meat can firm up before we can move on to the next step. So here we are with Kam Hung, who's got the fish, which he's already scored. The fish in our recipe, we're using about 1.5 kilos of red mullet, and in this mixture we have 60 grams of chopped garlic, 60 grams of pre-cooked sticky rice, and about 40 grams of salt. See here, our sticky rice mixture with garlic and the salt. So what Kam Hung is doing is he's getting all the ingredients into the fish, making sure he doesn't squeeze too hard, otherwise the fish will lose its shape. But at the same time we want to make sure that the ingredients penetrate the meat of the fish. It will take about 3 to 4 minutes per fish, gentle squeezing, making sure you get the garlic, the salt and the sticky rice into the flesh of the fish. Any fish to make this Som Pla recipe. We're using red mullet. You can also remove the heads of the fish if you want. We're choosing to keep the heads on, which makes the presentation look nicer. So any fresh fillet of fish we do, get your fishmonger to fillet the fish and just follow our simple recipe. Here we are 3 days later, and as you can see, Kam Sen is taking out the fish. You'll see that it's done, it's fermented. The texture of the flesh has changed. Simon, do Kam Sen. Okay. What you can do to this is that you can pan fry it over a gentle flame, or you can eat it raw as is. This has been Laocook.com. How to make Som Pla.